The main inspiration in building Salveo Innovations started a long time ago. Growing up in the rural parts of Georgia in the South and seeing our healthcare system and our families being challenged in these systems, not being able to best navigate these systems. My grandfather, before he passed away, God rest his soul, have a very lengthy stay in a hospital. Fortunately, I had graduated from pharmacy school by that time, and I was the one that helped my parents every day understand what my grandfather's labs meant. What if everyone could have a healthcare provider they could talk to? Fortunately, my family has a few, but not everyone has that. There are more individuals that need this resource, but how can we level that playing field? I am Dr. Carlisha Gentles, co-founder and CEO of Salveo Innovations, which is a health tech company based out of Washington, D.C., that's focused on building patient-centered solutions for health literacy. We envision a world where everyone can access, understand, and utilize the healthcare information that's given to them to make the most informed healthcare decisions, not just for themselves, but also for their family members. Our core product at Salveo Innovations is a mobile health application that we affectionately like to call Tyrone. Tyrone helps to bridge that communications gap between patients and providers by breaking down complex healthcare jargon by utilizing AI and machine learning to do so. Think Google Translate, but for health literacy. So for the patient journey, we're hearing many users saying, well, I don't know what to ask my doctor. Or I don't want to feel like, I'm not smart enough or I don't know things. I would say Tyrone is there as that friendly, trusted resource, like that family member that you would go to first before you seek care when you need to get those questions answered. Because we've seen that not everyone goes to a healthcare provider first. If you have a stomach ache or you have an issue that you're concerned about, you go to a trusted family member and resource. So we want Tyrone to feel that way, but to be filled with quality assured, science-based, evidence-based information that has tailored language that's been broken down to make it more user-friendly and feel like a friend, but yet you're still getting the information that you need. The kind of things that we have been hearing from our community members is that this has really helped to empower them. This has really helped them to best navigate and understand maybe a doctor's visit that they had. One patient actually used it. It was a gentleman. They said, I felt comfortable using Tyrone. When I used Tyrone, I felt like I was talking to a brother or a friend, and that made me more at ease working through issues with my healthcare. I felt that I could go to Tyrone and it be a trusted resource for me, and being able to utilize that to schedule my doctor's appointment and come up with questions made me feel seen and heard. So I think that's some of the most important information we've gotten is that Tyrone feels inclusive. I feel with any venture, there's always going to be challenges or setbacks. AgeTech is really great in offering opportunities to be able to help. They're able to be just that additional advisor for when you're like, I'm in a place, I'm just stuck. I'm not sure where to go next. I've done X, Y, Z, and I'm at a plateau. Can you help me think through strategy? Can you help me think through my next partnership? Can you help me think through capacity building? And they've definitely been that place and that safe space to go to. You also are meeting other founders, other potential pilot partners, community engagement partners, and individuals who want to truly see you succeed. This has just been an amazing opportunity to really push forward our passion into solutions that empower communities, particularly communities that are marginalized, that are underrepresented, and more than anything, under-resourced. We want to do what we can to help the margin succeed. And if we're serving and building for the margin, we feel that everyone will benefit. And that's the world that we're trying to build with Tyrone and Salveo.